In this video, we will discuss resetting a CP5 or CP5i control pad to the factory default software and configuration. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Then go into the Settings menu. Select Diagnostics. Then scroll down to Factory Reset. Confirm whether or not you would like to reset to factory defaults. Note that this cannot be undone, and the control pad may require an update once reset. Press the chair icon to exit the menu and return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.